So guys, as you can see, we have a simple robotic leg mesh, and let's select one of the vertex point. Press on 1 for vertex selection. Now press on N. Now if we go to item, we have the vertex weights which is assigned to this vertex point. We can manually change it here, like from 1 to 0.8, or we can go to object data properties, and I hope you know that these are all the bone names. Suppose we want to apply vertex weight for foot F bone into this vertex point. So for that, let's apply like 0.6, then click on assign. See, now we have vertex weights for 2 bones. Now the second important thing, let's select another vertex point. So it have vertex weight for only 1 bone. Now the question is how to copy the vertex weights from one point to another. It's really simple. Select all the vertex points where you want to copy the vertex weights. Then the last vertex point from which you want to copy the vertex weights. So hold shift, select the last point, then click on copy. Done. Let's check. See, that's all about manually putting vertex weights in Blender. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.